Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is overall wallet. I did a video about this wallet earlier last week about their wait list. So I don't know how many of you that joined. So they have launched their app, and they are all you have to do is come every morning and claim points. And once you click the referral link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video, you're going to get 1000 points immediately. You'll be earning 900. You'll be earning, look at my today's point. You'll be earning you'll be earning 93 points on a daily. Once you come on this app, then you click on it, you can see that here. So guys, hurry up. This points you are claiming, we do you know how Akim airdrop was being done? Like those points that you accumulated on Akim, that was what they now swiped and it now turned out to be token. Do you understand? It's your point that determines the amount of token you are going to get. So claim these points. I'm going to drop my referral link under the comment section of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification. So guys, that will be all for now. Just click the link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video, then you're good to go. You see you have got 93 points for today, so it's remaining 13 hours. So tomorrow now by this time I will come back again and click and claim. So just look at this place, you see says today you earn, just today alone guys. Imagine accumulating this for one full week. As in one full week you accumulate these points, and then when their token will be launched. This is a wallet, so this is a wallet guys. Just so you know that all these wallet apps you see, they have their own coin, they have their own token. So imagine once they will list it, imagine how many points you will have, then you will swap it to their token. And the earlier you hop in, the better now, because I don't know how long this thing is going to last. You understand? So that'll be all for now. See you soon. Thanks for watching.